Hello everybody, this is Kyra with my Porch Prints tutorials, and I've actually already recorded this once, but my mic was not turned on, so we're doing this again. Today we are continuing on with our Christmas daily journal, and today's video is going to be the page called A Visit, and I found this little ephemera card piece in our Christmas ephemera kit. And it says A Visit from St. Nicholas on it, so I kind of just based everything that I did around that one little card. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in here with it by starting with some distress ink and just going around the edges of the card with that. And next I'm going to be taking some of this brown craft paper as well as some pretty paper that I cut from our Christmas traditional kit. And I've also got this like little piece of ribbon here that I'm actually going to end up not using. I'm going to be using some like lacy ribbon instead. But I'm just going to be layering these up, giving our original card sort of like a border around it. I didn't measure anything, I just kind of eyeballed what looked right, so just go ahead and work off of sort of what you can see here. I just basically was giving it a border. Like that. And then I'm going to be tearing the bottoms off. That's why we have so much extra here, so I would have enough to tear off at the bottom, and then just adding some distress ink. And we're doing that for both the paper and the brown craft paper as well. And then I'm going to be taking some of this like ribbon, like lacy ribbon, and cutting it to fit and then gluing it down on the back side of the like layered card that we're making. Just like this. And then taking one of our fussy cut pieces, I think this is like holly or something, and I'm just going to be adding like a double-sided piece of sticky tape to it to give it a little more dimension, and again adding some of that distress ink to the edges, just like that. And then I realized that I don't have any red buttons, and I really kind of wanted a red button for this piece, so I ended up taking some acrylic paint and one of the like white buttons that I had, and just mixing my own color and layer by layer painting the paint onto the button until it was like the color that I wanted, and adding some cheesecloth and a red Christmas word. I'm just going to glue everything down at the top, and then I'm going to tape it down in the blank space on our A Visit page. Just like that. And then for the other page, I decided to grab this envelope that comes from our Yummy Christmas kit, and I already added like a little like stamp to it in our Letters to Santa video, and I went ahead and cut the edge so it's flush with the page, and I'm just going to be taping it down and using it as a pocket to hold some of these cards from the ephemera kit. And all of these are just Santa related, Saint Nick related Christmas cards. I'm just going to go ahead and tuck those in, taping everything down, and to finish off I'm adding this like beaded woven ribbon, and just going to cut it and glue it down to the edge of the page to give it a bit more texture, and that should finish up our page for today. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!